Rain against the window, a young girl in a quiet room, laughter in her footsteps, life around her in full bloom. She never knew the reason why the light chose her that day, only felt the raindrops gather all this time with things to say.
Others feared the stormy weather.
She just let the moment be.
Raindrops on the glass like heartbeats, soft old prayers in harmony.
Every shimmer felt like
Guidance,
every drop a gentle
sign,
and she held the sky's confession
like the truth aged into wine.
The smile turned every teardrop
into something warm and real. Every rhythm on the window found a heartbeat it could heal. Rain against the window, hear the heartbeat in the fall. Every drop's an unspoken